Hello students, myself Professor Berard ST from Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I would like to explain how to solve numerical on the basis of Gauss elimination method from unit number 2 simultaneous equation, and the subject is numerical methods and optimization, that is NMO. So here I just write down the numerical, that is numerical is or problem is using Gauss elimination method, using Gauss elimination method solve the following solve the following set of simultaneous equations, following set of simultaneous equations following set of simultaneous equations, and the equations are 2x plus 4y minus 6z is equal to minus 4x plus 5y plus 3z is equal to 10, x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 5. So these equations are given and it is asked to solve using Gauss elimination method. So solution: first step is write down the given equations in the form of matrix, and we know that the matrix condition is Ax equal to B, means we have to write down the given equations in the form of matrix as Ax is equal to B, that is coefficients we have to write down as here 2, 4, minus 6, 1, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2. Write down these equations in the form of matrix as into x, y, z is equal to minus 4, 10, 5, minus 4, 10, 5, and we know that in Gauss elimination method we have to solve for 3 unknowns. Here unknowns are x, y, z. So our aim is to find the answers for x, y and z. Then students, how to solve? We know that to convert given matrix into upper triangular form means we have to convert this triangular form, means this 1 element 1 1 3 into 0, so that we get answer for first answer z by backward substitution method. So students, it is observed that for row you have to here just interchange the row 1 and row 3, that is 2 rows. We have to interchange these 2 rows so that this 1 comes into position number 1, that is diagonal element of row 1. So first operation, perform first operation as row interchange row 1 as row 3. So by interchanging we get 1 3 2 1 5 3 2 4 minus 6 matrix form into x y z is equal to is equal to is equal to you have to just interchange row 1 and row 3, that is here 5 10 and minus 4. Here we interchange this 5 and minus 4 r1 as r3. So next step next step is we have to convert this element 1 into 0. How to convert this element 1 into 0? For row 2 we have to perform operation, which operation? R2 minus R1. Perform operation as R2 minus R1. So therefore 1 3 2 row 1, keep row 1 as it is 1 3 2. Perform operation on row 2. Here 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 4 minus 6 into x y z is equal to r2 minus r1 means 5. Here r2 is 10 minus 5 is 5 minus 4. So here first convert here this element as 0 by performing which operation? By performing r2 minus r1. Then students, next step is we have to convert this 2 into 0. How to convert this 2 into 0? By performing which operation? By performing r3 minus, perform operation on row 3 as r3 minus 2r1. So in next step we have to perform which operation? r3 as r3, this r3 minus 2r1, so that we get here instead of 2 we get 0. So perform next operation as r3 minus 2r1. So first row keep as it is 1 3 2. Second row as it is 0 2 1. So perform operation on row number 3, that is 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, and 4 minus 3 into 2, that is minus 2, and minus 6 minus 2 into 2 is minus 10. So here you will get 0 minus 2 minus 10 by performing which operation? By performing r3 minus 2r1 into x y z is equal to here 5 5 and r3 row r3 element minus 4 minus 2 into 5, that is equal to minus 14. So here we convert this 2 element below diagonal element, that is for row 1 0 0. Then students, next step is you have to convert first of all this 2 into 1 and make this minus 2 element as a 0, so that we get upper triangular matrix is 0. So how to convert this 2 into 0? By performing which operation? So perform operation on row number 2, that is row number 2. Perform which operation? perform R2 divided by 2. So just divide this 2 by 2. So we'll get 1 3 2 0 1. So 2 by 2 is 1, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 0 minus 2 minus 10 into x y z is equal to 5 R2 upon 2 means 5 by 2 is 2.5 minus 14. Okay. So next step, here we make this element row 2 and column 2 as 1. Next step is we have to convert this minus 2 into 0. How to convert? By performing which operation? So students, in next step we have to perform operation as R3 plus 2R2. 5 plus, because here for 2 is sign is minus, means R3. This minus 2 plus 2 into R2 is 1, means here we will get answer as 0. So perform this operation R3 plus 2R2. So 1 3 2 0 1 0.5. Here 0 plus 2R2 means 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, minus 10 plus 2 into 0.5, that is equal to minus 9. So into x y z is equal to 5, 2.5 and R3 minus 14 plus 2 into 2.5 is nothing but minus 9. Minus 9. So in this way we have to convert this matrix into upper triangular form, means below diagonal, these are the diagonal for this matrix, below diagonal we convert element into 0. So next step is calculate the first unknown z. How to calculate first unknown z? By using which method? By using backward substitution. By using backward substitution method. We know that backward substitution method is nothing but 0 into x plus 0 into y minus is minus 9 z is equal to minus 9, means answer for z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1. The next step we have to find second unknown y. How to find second unknown y? We know that 0 plus x plus 1 into y plus 0.5 into z is equal to 2.5. So therefore y plus 0.5 into 1 is equal to 2.5, means y equal to 2.5 minus 0.5, y equal to 2. Answer for y is equal to 2. And last, x. How to find x? 1 into x plus 3 into y plus 2 into z is equal to 5. Here therefore x plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into z is 1, that is equal to 5, means x plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 5, means x plus 8 is equal to 5, means we will get x, that is 5 minus 8, means x is equal to minus 3. That is answer for x is equal to minus 3 means finally you'll get answer x equal to minus 3, y equal to 2 and z equal to 1. For following set of equations using Gauss elimination method, the answers are x minus 3, y 2 and z is equal to 1. Thank you.